So in the past, I never really talked about warranties on this channel. Why? Because I never had to go through the after sale support, and my devices never broke or never stopped working. And the other reason why, because I was switching devices pretty often, and I'm still doing that. But I recently bought a Xiaomi phone for a friend of mine, and the phone pretty much stopped working after 1.5 months, and the phone got stuck in boot loop. And what happened next, I will talk about that in this video. My experience with the Xiaomi support. So this is the phone that I'm talking about, the Xiaomi Mi A2, the Android One edition phone. I bought it as a gift for a close friend of mine. Now this person is not a power user. This person just uses the phone for text messaging, calling, and pretty much a little bit of an internet, or maybe 1 or 2 YouTube videos a day, or maybe less than that. Okay, this person just told me that the phone that I got them is stuck in boot loop, and and this happened after an Android update. Fair enough, I did some Google search and I found out that a lot of users have had that issue. Now here is the phone. This is the Mi A2. It's pretty much 2 months old, or even newer than that, and it's in super mint condition. Right now, it's in fast boot, and if I try to get this back, you will see that, it's stuck on the Android One splash screen. Okay, so I contacted Xiaomi support in the United States, and they told me they can't really help me, but I can go into the MIUI forum and follow the guide, which will help me, revive this phone again. Okay, I was like, okay, let's do it. I went. The first step was unlocking the bootloader. I used the Mi Unlock tool, which didn't work. So my bootloader is still locked. Can I turn on the USB debugging? No, because I'm stuck on this Android One boot screen. I contacted them again and I was like, hey, you know what? This is stuck. I can't do anything. It's not working. So they told me to contact the global support. Now, the reason why the title of this video is Xiaomi support stuck in boot loop is because my phone is stuck in boot loop, and the Xiaomi support, the global support, is also stuck in boot loop, because they keep on telling me the same thing over and over again. They told me to go into setting and factory reset the phone. How can I factory reset the phone if my phone is stuck in boot loop? Like, legitimately, you can see that it's stuck on the Android One screen. Like, how can you tell somebody? And even the title of my email says that. They didn't ask me for my IMEI. They didn't ask me for any other information. They just told me that just do that. I replied back and I was like, hey man, this is the problem. They got back to me within 48 hours. That is good. They told me, hey, you know what? We provided you all the resolutions that we could, and if you still can't find it, contact the point of sale. Now, I was really confused. Why should I contact the point of sale? And it's really dumb. I bought this phone on Amazon. Now, what will Amazon do? They're not support. I was like, you know what? Never mind. Let's give it a try. I felt really dumb contacting Amazon. And Amazon was like, your return period has expired like a month ago. So we can't really do anything. I was like, then why is Xiaomi telling me to contact the point of sale? Which was really stupid. So here we are with this Android One on this phone stuck here. You see, like, I didn't do nothing, and I've been talking for like almost 2-3 minutes now, and it's still here. It's not going past this, and it's not going to recovery mode either. I mean, it's not going to the recovery options either, where you press the volume up and the power button. No, it's not working that either. It's going to fast boot, that's it, but I'm not able to do anything on this phone. So yeah, this video is pretty much asking the community what should be done for this phone, and my experience with the Xiaomi global support. In the past, I never had to deal with any of the warranties from any of the companies, but seems like all these Chinese companies, they are pretty much pushing for quantity over quality. I mean, I'm not saying that this is badly made, but like, I mean, they've rolled over Android software update that bricked this phone. Now, how is it a fault of a consumer who almost paid around $300 for this phone? So that's really dumb. And let me know what can be done for this phone. Otherwise, I just think of one option